Hey guys, let's be real. Sometimes you just want a fresh start. Here, how to clean your entire YouTube history in seconds. Now, just go to your YouTube app, click here. Now go to your profile and now go to your setting option. And here, you will have to find search all history or manage all history. Just tap on here and now you will see an option here called delete. Just click on delete and click on delete all time, and now just wait. And here you will see all the history of your YouTube that you have watched previously. Just click on delete and now done. The all your watch history has been completely deleted and removed from you. You can also pause watch history if you want to, and if you don't want to watch new videos. And perfect if you share your device or you just want some privacy. Trust me, it feels oddly satisfying to start over. If you find this helpful, hit like and share. It will help someone who needs to it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.